Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller and connect it to another PlayStation. So let's go on over to settings right here, then go on down to devices, then go to Bluetooth devices, and you can find your PlayStation 4 controller under this menu. Now this isn't necessary that you do this, but it can make it a little bit easier if you're trying to connect it wirelessly. So if I go to my DualSense 4 I'm not using, and then select it with X, I can go to disconnect. If I select it again, I can press options and then I can go over to forget device and deregister it from my PlayStation 4. So let's go on over to OK now. Now when you're connecting your controller to your new PlayStation, the easiest way to do that is with a USB cable. You might need to try different USB cables and different USB slots if it's giving you like a passkey error, but simply just plug it in, then press the PlayStation button. You may see it like charge. Just press the PlayStation button here and it should connect. If it doesn't connect, press it multiple times and then you'll have to pick a user. Otherwise, using a second controller or your TV remote using HDMI CEC, go back on over to settings and then going down to devices, Bluetooth devices, and then place your DualShock 4 controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see I just paired it right here. I'm going to go to this device and then forget it and pair it back to my PlayStation. So go to the controller, hold down the PlayStation button and the share button right here, and it'll place it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Then it should display under this list on the bottom here. And we have to select it with our new controller, so it's blinking. And it might take about 15 to 20 seconds to display on here, maybe even a little bit longer. And I can see a box just popped open here. And here's DualShock 4. Let's select it. It says, please wait. Do you want to register this Bluetooth device? Let's go to yes. And then sign in to an account. And if you go back to the screen, you can see the DualShock 4 is connected to the account I just selected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.